What's up, guys? Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use QuillBot AI Detector. This is basically detecting the text if it's written by AI or not. And once you're on the home page, you can quickly find it. As you can see, AI Detector, it's going to analyze the text. I'm going to go ahead and paste a text right here. And I'm going to just simply click on Detect AI. And it's going to check if this document was AI detected. And as you can see right away, it is saying that the text is likely be written by AI 100%. Now, once you do that and you find your text that is 100% written by AI, you can go ahead and you can refine it by paraphrasing it. Or one of the best way I recommend to do is after you paraphrase your text, like you copy your text and you paste your text right here to paraphrase it, you can switch to the humanize tab and it's going to humanize the text for you as well. But you need to have the premium feature to be able to humanize your text. But once you humanize your text, it's going to help with the AI detection. So it's going to make it much better. Once it is done, then you would put back your text here in the AI detection and see how much it changes within that QuillBot feature here of AI detection. So that's it, guys.